Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode where today we're reviewing some LED lights and you guys are currently watching Crew Elite. In today's episode, we're reviewing some LED lights from the company that is listed on the screen. You know, I've reviewed a lot of LED lights in my past, but the good thing about these LED lights is that one, you can extend them. Two, they have music syncing options. So like the remote control actually has like 4 different music sync options. So like if you have music in the background, it can sync to the music. And then 3, it's just a nice colorful LED light that I think has a vibrant coloring. But before we actually get started with this Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts whenever we do upload. If you guys have any questions or concerns about this product, please feel free to leave a comment down below. I reply and read every single comment I receive, so if you guys have any inquiries whatsoever, please feel free to ask me. If you guys enjoyed this video after watching it, make sure you guys go down below and smack your body into the like section. That just informs me and lets me know if you guys are enjoying these kinds of videos. If you guys want to follow us on various social media platforms, our social media links are down below in the description. You guys can follow us to stay connected and also get updates whenever we do upload. And then lastly, if you're a business owner or a company owner interested in a product review in the future, our business inquiries email is creweliteyt@outlook.com. You guys can shoot me a message and we can potentially work together on a future product review. And then if you guys want to check out this product, or if you guys want to get more information about this LED lights, there will be a link down below in the description, and there will also be more information about this product. But anyways, right now what we're going to do is move on to the first look and unboxing portion of this video. So as you guys can see, the box is filled with a lot of useful information. As I flip it around, you guys can see there's a lot of useful information about these LED lights and how they perform and also how to use them. So what we're going to do is actually move this onto a secondary camera angle so you guys can have a closer shot at this product. So you guys can see on the front of the box, it just says LED strip. You know, it gives you guys, you know, the different specifications on the side. You guys can see a picture of the LED light strips and like the power supply and stuff. On the back side, you guys can see it's just, you know, a picture of the LED lights with, you know, some of, you know, the different color options that you can do with these LED lights. So what we're going to do now is move on to the unboxing portion. So all you need to do is lift up the flap just like that. And you guys can see we are greeted with 2 white boxes. Let me open that. In this box we have our AC power supply. So you guys can see this is how the power supply looks like. You know, the cable's pretty long. On this box we have our remote control. As you guys can see, this is the remote control. And then we also have our infrared box that, you know, gives signal to from the remote to the LED lights. Inside, actually, let's just unwrap the LED lights themselves. So you guys can see inside this bag, we get the LED lights. They have 3M tape on the back side, so you guys can use this to plug into, like, you know, to the back of your wall and stuff. So that's really nice. You guys can see those 2 ends, so you guys can extend these LED light strips if you know, purchase more. They're not waterproof, but they still look high quality and look like they can, you know, perform really well. Inside the box, this is actually the main user manual. And then also inside the packaging, we have like a thank you card from the company. They do also give you their contact information, so you guys can you know, get in contact if you need any assistance. And then last but not least, we get included some extension pieces and corner pieces. So like if you wanted to attach this LED light strip into like a corner of your room, you can do so with the corner pieces that they included. Get some connectors, so you can connect to the power supply, and also you can connect to additional LED lights that you may add on later down the road. So as you guys can see on the secondary camera angle, this is everything that's laid out. So right now what we're gonna do is basically move on to the testing and demonstration portion of this video. So what we're gonna do is actually unwrap this AC adapter. So you guys can see as I plugged it in, we have a blue faint light that turned on. So plug in this infrared controller into the power supply. And now what we need to do is basically take one of these connector pieces that they provided for you, basically put it onto the end of this infrared controller, plug it in, and now what we need to do is basically connect this end to the infrared controller. So all we need to do is insert it in. Make sure that you face the arrows in the right directions or else it's not gonna work. So I just plugged it in. So you guys can see the LED light strips are already on. What I just did was kind of dim most of my lighting. I didn't turn off all my lights because, you know, I still gotta be able to be shown in the video. But on the secondary camera angle, you guys can see how vibrant the LED lights really are. So what we're gonna do is just play off, you know, mess with the buttons and stuff. So if we click on off, you guys can see it turns off. Turn it on, it turns back on. Right here, you guys can switch the colors. So like right here, we have red. The red looks really, really nice. Wow, look at that. Next up, we have green, blue. Wow, the blue looks really, really nice. Orange, yellow. Dang, that actually does look like yellow and orange though. They did a really good job with that. This is cyan. Wow, that looks really, really nice. And then we have a violet. You guys can see how vibrant these LED lights really are. They do also have some fades. So like this one is a jump 3. So it's just gonna jump red, blue, green, red, blue, green. This is jump 7. So you guys gonna see it's gonna jump through 7 different colors. This is gonna fade into red, then green, and then blue, and then it's just gonna repeat over and over. So this one's really nice as well. And then next up we also have a fade 7. So this is gonna fade 7 different colors in, and it's gonna take more time fading in and out to the different colors. The last thing, like I said earlier, that this LED lights actually has, what is it called? It has music sync mode. So if it hears music, it's actually gonna sync up to the music. And we are gonna test this out right now. We're gonna be using a Bluetooth speaker. I'm gonna turn on this Bluetooth speaker, and we're gonna change it to music sync mode number 1. So you guys can see it's syncing up with the music. Alright, let's change the mode to the second music mode. Let's change it to music sync mode number 3 now. As I'm talking, it's actually syncing up with my voice. Stop right there. As I continue talking, you see it's synced up. So now let's actually switch it to the last music mode, which I think is actually my favorite. The music syncing mode is actually really strong, you know. It syncs up to, even like as I'm talking right now, it's syncing up to my voice. So, you know, the music syncing functionality of these LED lights is very functional and works really fantastic. But anyways, I think what we're going to do now is move on to the final reflections and remarks and end off this video. So, what are my final opinions and remarks about these LED light strips from the company that is listed on the screen? I think that these LED lights are actually a fantastic product. I really like the music sync mode. I feel like that's what makes this LED lights different from its competitors. The only thing I wish is it has, you know, an application that you can use on your phone and connect to the Wi-Fi. But, you know, I still like to have an infrared controller to use, so I don't really think that's an issue. You know, depending on where you do set this up, it depends depends on your needs and your situation, but for me, this has, I really have no issues with it. I also wish it was waterproof, but I still like, the overall design of it, because I can still use this inside where water's not ever going to touch it. So it's still a fantastic product nonetheless. But anyways, if you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts whenever we do upload. If you guys have any questions or concerns about this product, make sure you guys go down below and leave a comment, as I reply and read every single comment I receive. If you guys have, if you guys enjoyed this video, after watching it, make sure you guys go down below and leave a like. That just informs me and lets me know if you guys are enjoying these kinds of videos. If you guys want to follow us on our various social media platforms, or social media accounts and links are down below in the description. You guys can follow us to stay connected and also get updates whenever we do upload. And then lastly, if you're a business owner or a company owner interested in a product review from us, our business inquiries email is crew.eliteyt@outlook.com. You guys can send me a message and we could potentially work together on a future product review. And then, like always, product information and product links are down below in the description. So if you guys are interested in buying this product, there'll be a link down below for you guys to check out and make a purchase. But anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode. I know I did making it, and I'll see you guys all on the next episode. Crew Elite signing out. Thank you all for watching and have a good rest of your day.